Welcome back everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your MacBook is connected to Wi-Fi, but there's just no internet coming through. Now what does this look like? Well, essentially, it's sometimes when you have your MacBook, right, you see in the top right corner, you have the Wi-Fi bars, you click on it, it shows you're connected to a signal, but you try to open up Safari, you try to open up maybe some other applications you have, maybe Chrome, maybe you're trying to upload something, and nothing is going through. None of your connections seem to be working. Now, there's a couple different ways why this may happen. First of all, as always, you want to make sure you typed in the right password for your specific Wi-Fi connection. Now, there have been a lot of times in my lifetime where for some reason, I don't know why my MacBook accepts like even a kind of right password. It's the strangest thing ever. But sometimes I'll type in the password and maybe I'll get one thing wrong and it won't shrug at me that I got the password wrong. It sounds so crazy, but it's just some random glitch in their system. And sometimes with macOS, this has happened with my iPhones before too. So in this specific case, what you want to do is you want to disconnect from all Wi-Fi. So you want to disconnect from the Wi-Fi connection that you currently have. So click on it, click on either disconnect or click on forget this network. And you want to try getting back into that network right after. So you want to log back in, type in the password, and majority of the time, I'm talking 99% of the time, your specific connection will actually end up working out. Now, it's not every single time, I'm not going to lie, but most of the time, this will probably end up fixing the issue. It's what fixed it for me time and time again, and it's also probably what's going to fix it for you as well. So that's essentially the main way to go ahead and fix this. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is to actually fully reboot your MacBook. So you want to hold down your specific, power button, or if you have an iMac, you want to hold down the button on the side and the back, and you want to restart your specific MacBook. Now, a majority of the times, like I mentioned before, this will probably end up fixing the issue, but there can be a situation where this doesn't fix it either. Now, if that ends up being the case, your best bet is to probably see if your MacBook or iMac has some sort of Wi-Fi connection problem. If the Wi-Fi chipset in your specific device is now working fully, then you may run into some issues there too. So you may want to go ahead and either contact Apple via a different device and see what happens there. You can also try going through their Apple support on their store and go in there, take your MacBook and see what they're telling you about it too. There's been a couple times I had some issues with my MacBook and they were actually able to fix it for me. So that's pretty much it. Those are the main ways to go ahead and fix this. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Tola.